Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is a countertop styling, color in black, the Sushi case. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the unit's entire length, they are about like 60 inches. And the depth of the unit is about like 16 inches. And include the standard feet, overall heights, they are about like 12 and 1 4 inches tall. So we can see the unit designed with the curved glass, and also inner side they come in with the 6 pantries, LED light strips on top of the unit. And let me turn around to show you the details. On the side, we can see they do have a ETL sanitation stickers, serial number, cut sheets, and diagram information. They all marked on the label. When we look in the behind of the units, they do having the 2 sliding doors, really easy to open on the both sides and the quiet. And also we do having the controllers right here, power switch, and also they do come in with the standard of 110 plugs for the United States. And this is a small tube for you to easy to clean the water drinks right here. And also they do come in with the pantries inside. For this pan, they are about like 13 inches long, 7 inches wide, and 2 inches deep. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.